Before you step onto your first cruise ship, there are a few things nobody tells you but absolutely should. Stick around because these 20 tips will save you money, stress, and possibly your entire vacation. Asterisk 20. Arrive a day early. Flying in on the same day as your cruise is the biggest first-time mistake. Flights get delayed, cruises don't wait. Arriving one day early gives you peace of mind and protects your entire vacation. 19. Check-in. Online ASOP cruise lines now use digital boarding passes. The earlier you check in, the earlier your boarding group, meaning more time on board before the crowds. 18. Print everything. Phones are great until batteries die or signals fail. Printed documents help you avoid issues at the port. 17. Pack a carry-on. Before-checked luggage won't arrive for hours. Pack essentials like medications, swimwear, documents, and valuables in your carry-on so you can enjoy the ship immediately. 16. Download the cruise app. Every major cruise line uses its own app for maps, schedules, reservations, and daily events. Download it before boarding. Ship Wi-Fi can be slow. 15. Don't bring prohibited items. Cruise lines ban things like irons, steamers, candles, and some chargers. Security will confiscate anything not allowed, so check the list before packing. 14. Bring a power strip, but not a surge protector. Cruise cabins lack outlets. Non-surge power strips are allowed. Surge protectors are banned because they interfere with ship electrical systems. 13. Use magnet screws. Cabin walls are metal. Magnetic hooks and clips help you organize hats, lanyards, bags, and daily schedules. 12. Explore the ship early. Once on board, the ship is surprisingly empty for the first hour. This is the best time to reserve activities, take photos, and enjoy a quiet lunch. 11. Make dining reservations immediately. Specialty dining sells out fast, sometimes within minutes. Book early if you want primetime dinner. Slots. 10. Bring cash. Yes, you still need it. Tips, taxis, local shops, and tours. Drivers often prefer cash. ATMs on the ship are expensive, so bring what you need beforehand. 9. Your ship card is everything. It's your room key, payment method, and ID on the ship. Don't lose it. Treat it like your passport. 8. Be early for every show and event. Entertainment venues fill up fast. Arrive 10 to 20 minutes early to get the best seats. 7. Don't overpack. First-time cruisers often bring too many clothes. Laundry options exist, and cruise outfits are casual most of the time. 6. Sunscreen is a must. Cruise sun is stronger than land sun. Bring reef-safe sunscreen to avoid paying double on board. 5. Know the gratuities. Rule gratuities are automatically added to your bill. Understand the daily rate so you're not surprised at checkout. 4. Consider a lanyard. LL. Use your room card dozens of times per day. A lanyard keeps your hands free and prevents losing it. 3. Avoid over-planning. Cruise should be relaxing, not stressful. You don't have to do everything. Choose what matters and enjoy the moment. 2. Stay on ship. Time. Some ports do not match ship time. If you miss the all-aboard time, the ship leaves without you, and it happens more often than you think. 1. The best tip. Start relaxing. Your cruise vacation starts the moment you step on the ship. Slow down, breathe, and enjoy it. These are memories you'll keep for life. Asterisk OUTRO. And there you have it, to 20 things you absolutely need to know before going on your first cruise in 2026. If you follow these tips, you'll avoid mistakes, save money, and make the most of every moment at sea. If this video helped you feel more prepared, hit the like button, subscribe for more cruise tips, and drop a comment telling me when your next cruise is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.